Good day, fellow crafters. Welcome back to the Pixie Dust Designs YouTube channel. I'm Tamara, the card creator, and today we're crafting a delightful house-shaped gift box. This project is perfect for any occasion and adds a lovely touch to your gift giving. If you love DIY projects and want to learn more about card making and gift creation, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. For this project, I'll be using the high-quality dies from Pixie Dust Designs' July 2024 release called Christmas Card House, along with a selection of pattern paper from my collection. In the interest of time, all of the pattern paper has been pre-cut off-screen, so we're ready to jump right into the action. The first thing we need to do is to create the box. You can see that the die leaves an impression for where to fold, so be sure not to cover that up. I'm starting with what will become the top and adding the pattern paper that will form the main part of the house. I adhere this in place with some liquid glue, then set it aside to dry. While we're waiting for that to dry, let's talk a bit about the versatility of these dies. They're perfect for various themes, from festive holidays to birthdays, and even custom themes like weddings or baby showers. Consider experimenting with different color palettes and textures to make your gift box truly unique. Now, I'm going to fold up the bottom of the box. I like to start with the longer sides and the attached flaps first, so I can ensure I don't accidentally overfold them. I then apply liquid glue to the attachment flaps and adhere them to the sides. This is one of those times when having a couple extra hands would be nice, but reverse tweezers will work just as well. Allow this to dry, and your bottom piece is complete. Next, we create the roof and chimney for our house-shaped box. There are two different dies used for this. The first cuts out the overall shape of the roof, and the second, which I'm adhering now, provides the profile and shadow. I've decided to use glitter paper for the roof to simulate the texture of shingles. The shimmer adds an eye-catching element that enhances the overall design. The chimney is very easy to create. I chose a red texture paper for the color, but the white piece I'm adhering gives it the look of brick. You could stop there, but adding the final piece, the chimney cap, gives it a nice polished look, so I suggest making sure to include it. Adding these dimensional elements creates a charming and whimsical aesthetics for our gift box. Time for the front of the box. I'm going for a festive theme, so I selected a vibrant, colorful pattern. First, I'm going to place the door frame and adhere the door itself. Next, I added the window frames using a bright complementary yellow to brighten the look. These small details really bring the house to life and make it stand out. Once all of the pieces have dried, I fold the top in the same way as the bottom. As a reminder, it's important that you fold along the scored lines provided to make the folds work properly and allow the pieces to fit together. Again, reverse tweezers are essential here. I use a fast-drying variety of glue, so this step doesn't take long. After removing the tweezers, I fit the box together and adhere the roof to the front panel. The last piece is then added, which is an upper story dormer that comes with several dies to make it dimensional. To be completely honest, for this project, I didn't go that route, as it would be the only dimensional piece. So I adhered it directly to the roof. To make the windows more realistic, I used some glossy accents. Be sure to keep the layer thin to give it a shine, but not appear wavy once it's dried. I also decided to upstyle my door by adding a second round window and a small drop of silver paste for a doorknob. The small detail adds depth and realism to my house, making it even more enchanting. The finishing touch for this house gift box is to add the sentiment. I chose the sentiment from my collection to stamp on some black cardstock and emboss it with white embossing powder for a classic look. While I directly adhered it to the box lid, you could add a bit of dimensional foam to the sentiment, especially black foam, to enhance the appearance even more. With the second house, instead of using the intended theme, I decided to go a bit wild and make a Halloween-inspired house. As you can see, the boxes are made the same, just with orange cardstock. Other than the Halloween colors I've chosen for the project, the part I want to show you is how I created the string of lights using the included die. I cut out the bulbs in orange and purple cardstock, then alternated the colors along the string of lights using my picker to put them into place with a little liquid glue. I often get asked about my picker, but it's an ordinary one, and I've just added a little bit of poster tack on the end, which has worked much better. The best part is that it lasts an extremely long time and is very inexpensive. Once the strings are complete, I go back over them with glossy accents to provide a realistic look. This extra detail makes the Halloween house gift box more whimsical and fun. Lastly, I adhere them into place on the Halloween house gift box. With that, the project is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crafting tips, design ideas, and fun tutorials. As always, click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest content. If you try making these gift boxes at home, be sure to share your creations with us in the comments or on social media using hashtag #PixieDustCreations. We love seeing your unique designs and ideas. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.